Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add product category to menu in WordPress e-commerce website. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress. If you visit my YouTube channel WP Handy, then you will see already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like e-commerce website, classified listing website, Elementor and basic WordPress as well. So I request you please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's check which I am going to do in this tutorial. This is a e-commerce website and very fast it shows the main menu. You can see already I have added 3 pages like shop page, about us page and contact us page. But in this tutorial I want to add WooCommerce product category here. So I can show you an example website. This is the example website and where already I have added product category. If I hover over on it, then you can check from the left side to bottom. You can see this is the product category. Okay, this is the product category and I want to add this product category in this main menu. Okay, so let's get started. I hope already you know how to add main menu, or let's check how we can do it. That's why go to the admin dashboard and I can close it. This is the admin dashboard and hover over on appearance and this is the menu. Just click over here, menus. Okay, already I have added main menu. Now you can select from here, or if you want then you can create a main menu or create a menu from here as well. Okay, so in this tutorial I want to add product category here, but if you check, very unfortunate that the product categories are not showing here. Okay, you can see this is the post, custom link, categories, WooCommerce endpoint, and this is the page. Okay, so now very fast I have to show the products category here, then I can add it to the main menu. So just scroll up, okay, and click here screen option. You can see lots of options are showing here. You have to check this box, just products category. This is the product category. Okay, you have to check this box, then scroll down and you can see the product categories are showing here. If you click over here, then you can see this is the product category. Now you can select product category, then add to menu. Just wait. Okay, this is the product category and now you can rearrange it, just drag and drop. Okay, so if you want then you can change and rearrange it, then the select header or main menu, then just save menu. Then go to the website and refresh this page and you can see the product categories are showing here. Okay, so in this tutorial we have learned how to add product category in main menu. If you can't see product category here, then you have to check the product category box from here, then WooCommerce product category will show here, then you can add to menu. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress.